Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Shiner here, and we are working on writing. And today we are going to focus on geography again. But today we're going to focus on our planet Earth. Last week we focused on all the planets, but now I want to focus on just our planet Earth. And to start our lesson, I want to review the planets we learned last week. I'm hoping you guys were practicing the song that Mrs. Shiner taught you last week. Did you remember to substitute someone's car instead of Pluto? Because remember, Pluto's considered a dwarf planet. Okay, now we're going to talk about a model of our Earth, a way to look at and study the Earth. You can use a globe, which is a 3D shape. It's a sphere. Last week you talked about 3D shapes in math, so you're familiar with what a sphere is. Or you can use a map. A map is a flat shape. And if you look at both of them, they're both going to give you basically the same information. They're going to show you there's parts that are land and there's parts that are water. Notice all the water. On the map, it's blue. On the globe, all the white areas are water. So now we're going to watch a video so you can learn some more about our planet Earth.
Covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Asia is the continent that has the most people. It's also the largest in size. It has the 50 highest mountains in the world. Their peaks reach high into the skies. Second largest is Africa. It's the hottest continent of all. It has the largest sandy desert in the world and animals both large and small. If Africa's hottest, then which is the coldest? Antarctica, but it's so very cold. It's only home to seals, penguins, and other birds. No to snow, it's the driest, I'm told. And which is the wettest? It's South America. Rainforests cover much of its face. Millions of animal species live there. You'll find them all over the place. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Let's look at Australia. It's the smallest of continents. call it home. Most of its land is the bushland and outback where koalas and kangaroos roam. Now on to Europe, though it's rather small, it has dozens of famous old cities. Berlin, Madrid, Paris, London, and Rome. Each city is uniquely pretty. Last but not least is North America. It's the continent that I know best. It is the home of our own United States, a wonder from east coast to west. But let's not forget there are also 5 oceans. Please let me be quite specific. Their names are the Southern, Atlantic, and Arctic, the Indian, and the Pacific. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. I hope you learned something about all the continents and the names of our 5 oceans. Hopefully someday you will travel to each, but only if you get the notion. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand.
Okay, so you learned about continents, you learned about oceans. Our Earth is made up of land and water. You just saw that on the video. The large masses of land are called continents. There are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia. Most of our Earth is large bodies of water called oceans. There are 5 oceans: Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, Indian, and Southern. Now I want you to notice, boys and girls, all of the names of the continents start with capital letters. They're capital letters because they are proper nouns. They are names of something. So please remember, when you are doing or writing about a continent or writing about an ocean, you must give it a capital letter. It's the name of something, a proper noun. Now I have a song that's going to help you to remember the 7 continents, because you're thinking, Mrs. Shiner, how in the world am I going to remember all these continents? Well, here's a song that's going to help you. So that's how you're going to learn your continents. You're going to sing them. Notice how large Asia is. This is the continent named Asia. It's the largest continent. It has the most people. But I also want to point out something else that's going to help you to remember the names of the continents. There are 7 continents. 6 of them have a capital A. North and South America, North America, South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. The only continent that doesn't have a capital A is Europe. It starts with a capital E. Now we're going to learn a song to help you learn the oceans. There are 5 oceans, but I want to point something out. When Mrs. Shiner was growing up, and even a few years ago, I only sang about 4 oceans. I didn't know about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean has been newly named, so we have to add that to our song. The song you're going to hear sings about 4 oceans, but when you look at the template that I included with the lesson, it's going to have the name of the Southern Ocean. We just have to change the words at the end of the song. So learn this song, and it'll help you learn your oceans.
Atlantic's the name of an ocean. Pacific and Indian too. The Arctic is often forgotten. I can name the oceans, can you? Oceans, oceans, oceans of beautiful blue. Oceans, oceans, I can name the oceans, can you? Atlantic's the name of an ocean. Pacific and Indian too. The Arctic is often forgotten. I can name the oceans, can you? Oceans, oceans, oceans of beautiful blue. Oceans, oceans, I can name the oceans, can you? Can too.
So there you have it, boys and girls. 2 new songs. You have the continent song and you have the ocean song. Now, in this part 1 of your geography lesson, Our Planet Earth, I included the templates for the ocean song and the continent song. I also included a template for a word search. I would like you to complete that word search and see if you can name the oceans and the continents. Then you'll need to go on to part 2 of the social studies lesson. All right, I'll see you next week. Have fun, boys and girls. Love you.